the vlog. I hope you guys are having a good day. Your girl has been under the weather for the last few days, so sorry there. I know I haven't been doing that much. I've just been bedridden and stuff like that for the last few days and stuff, but I'm feeling a little bit better today, so got up and did up my hair. Them are about to go out, just to go do something, get out of the house. I need a little break from my bedroom because I've been in here for the last how much days in bed, cannot move. So but enough of that. I always say give thanks for life and give thanks to the Most High. Just wanted to say thank you. We really appreciate a big thanks from us to our fam that sent us that nice, surprise that we woke up to this morning. We would all like to say thank you very much. I am not putting your name in the vlog because I'm sure maybe you just don't want your name in there, and I'm also going to protect people's privacy, but I would just like to say thank you very much. We really appreciate it, and we will make sure we put it to good use. So I'd just like to thank you for that. And yeah, it was a real nice surprise, so thank you. So me and the kids, then we're gonna get up. Bobby should be coming home soon from work. I don't know if he's going to meet us or not. He should be coming home from work soon, so I'm not sure if he's gonna meet us or not, but I just wanted to let you guys know that the Q&A is coming. It's just I've been ill, so we haven't been able to get that done, and then with all the birthday and anniversary and Father's Day and Canada Day, all those celebration that was in the works and stuff like that, I had to get all of those out the way first and stuff, and then, well, I fell ill, so then it kind of put a hold on stuff like that. But yes, by the time this video is up, the sauce that I make, my at-home sauce that I make to put on my marinated sauce that you guys have been asking, a few of you have been emailing and then sending me my private messages and been asking for, I have finally made it, so that video would be up before this one. I hope you guys actually enjoy it, and like I said, let me know in the comments below if there is different ways that you guys make your sauce, your home remedy sauce and stuff like that. I would definitely like to know. I love to try new things in the kitchen, and I also like to try new foods. So that is something that I would definitely like to know. But I hope you guys are having a blessed day so far. And I just gotta say thank God, because boy, those few days were really, really rough. When I say rough, they were rough. But like I say, as long as you got health and strength, anything is possible. It's so crazy, the things, like I always say, the things we take for granted. Just waking up, being able to get up, sit up in bed, stand up on your feet, use your hands, your mouth, like just open your eyes alone. Like there's so much things in life as human beings that we take for granted and don't realize that. You might be okay right now, and the next minute, or you might go to your bed and the next day you wake up, you could be paralyzed from the waist down, right? And these are things that we don't think about, and we take so much things for granted that the simplest thing as being able to pick up a fork and eat your food, we don't even think about it, right? We like just even able to make sure that your left feet or your right feet goes in front of the left, just being able to walk and being able to sit up and not have somebody having to sit you up, somebody having to feed you. Like these are things that as humans, we really don't sit and think how good we have things. But I guess with society, just everything that goes on, I think people just look at things as, oh, they don't have money, they can't do this and they can't do that. And this is always the main things that they look at. They're not even grateful to be like, thank you, God, for waking me up this morning, for waking my family up. Thank you, God, for just being healthy, just like being able to breathe, like have clear lungs that you can breathe and not be on a ventilator like so much people are because of the pandemic that's going on. So in all, we always have to be thankful for the things that we have in life. Yes, a lot of us may not have reached where we want in life, but be thankful and appreciative for every little thing that you have. Even for that little hut you might live in. Maybe before that you weren't even living in a hut. You had nowhere to live. You have to be grateful because you came from somewhere to a little place that might be better than where you were coming from before. So that in itself, you have to be grateful for. But I'm gonna get up soon. I am actually just here watching Stuck on an Island with You. If you guys have not checked him out, definitely go and check his channel out. He has some great content, and definitely I was like, oh, that, yeah, he has some amazing content, so definitely go and check him out as well. All right, so hubby came home, which is good because so then we can all go out. I actually just got one more of his gift that came in for his birthday and anniversary. So the gifts are actually still coming in. They haven't fully all come in yet, but they're still coming in, so that's good. That is good. Let's sit in our car, so we need to go there's something there, the garbage. And yes guys, get your cup, your thermostat at Nursing Boutique. See the temperature. My tea has been in here from how long? and been through AC. So definitely go and support if you're in Canada, but they will be shipping worldwide. So they also will be shipping worldwide, guys. So definitely go and check them out. They have nice scrubs. Oh, they have, and they're very handy, I find it, and it holds cold drinks and warm drinks and keep it actually at the temperature. So you guys can go and check them out. They will be open August 1st. They're starting to do delivery, so go and support. It's a black owned business. A very proud I must say of her. Yes, and she is also a nurse, guys, as well. So go and support your black owned business. Well, just support their females. So, and she has like pants, skirt for those that are in nursing that don't wear those type of stuff. You guys can check out the Instagram. I will leave it in the link below, where you guys can also go and check out the Instagram page. It's up, and the website should be launched August 1st, but if it's not, don't quote me on that. And I will also leave the number in the description below. I will leave it in the video here as well, so you guys can call and place your orders. They will be shipping worldwide, so put your orders in, and they got some nice new products coming in. I've already put in my order because I need my cup. There's this cup that I wanted, so I'm waiting for that to come out as well, and a couple of things. But they got some good gear. Instead of just the regular nursing stuff, you got some nice different stuff. So definitely check them out, guys, and just tell them that the William fam sent you, and let me know what you guys think. We're stopped. We stopped, and we're just having some Timmy's. So thank you. I'm having this is Mario's favorite. He usually has from Timmy. So it's the ice cap with a vanilla shot and whipped cream. So if you have not tried it, definitely try it. And then the kids them are having the same.
She discipline me right now.
She has one.
See Faith hiding hers.
See that?
Take it out of that thing.
So we just had a nice little mini date just out. Everyone, I haven't had one of these in a while. I try not to have them too often. Yeah, so we're just here, just chilling, having some ice cap in the car as a fam. And well, Mario, one of his other gifts came in, so I'm about to give it to him now so he can actually open it. I ordered this gift, guys, from May, like the beginning of May. and some other stuff that I've ordered from the beginning of May, and they are all just coming in. So a lot of his gifts, they still have not come in as yet. I'm still waiting on a couple more. Well, hopefully they'll be here by the end of this month. I can't believe we're in July. So imagine ordering something in May and it's taking how many months to get here? And usually the most something take is like 3 weeks. So you know, if you order at the beginning of May, by the end of May you can look forward to it. Not May pass, June pass, we're halfway through July, we're almost like pretty much at the end of July, and I'm still waiting. So, but that's okay, it's a thought that counts. At least I'm grateful that it got here and didn't get lost in the mail, because who knows, maybe a lot. Oh, it's a girl that's, oh I thought it was a girl. I was like, it's a girl that's driving that muscle car.
Mommy, I love you, mommy.
So we're just here enjoying. Good, babes. They should have put more whipped cream. I love it when they like fill it with whipped cream.
The last time I cussed on you, man, I forgive more whipped cream.
Yeah, so that's what we're just here, just having a little family outing. Just needed to get out of the house. So that is what we're doing. Alright, so we got back in from our little outside excursion. Now I'm going to go make some dinner and get dinner ready. And ended up, we're just gonna chillax because hubby got work in the morning. So it was just a nice little outing.
Michael Jackson, yes.
Michael Jackson, see if he's Michael Jackson. So, and I figured I'm gonna make some. I haven't made these in a while, a croissant. So these original ones. So I'm gonna make some of those and see. Are you guys gonna go for a bike ride?
I wanna go.
I'm not going nowhere.
Okay. So you guys go on and come back then. Faith's gonna help me make the croissant. Alright. So yeah, we just gone to go shower, so me and Faith are gonna go roll these croissants and stuff like that. Get the here. You get this and put this on here. So that is all that we are doing.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.